A genius trick for cooking salmon. I bet you've never seen this before. I'll make shallow cuts on 900 grams of skinless salmon fillet. First diagonally, then in the opposite direction. Once that's done, I'll add 100 grams of butter and spread it well. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Amanda Rivera from Seattle. I'm so happy you're enjoying our recipes. Now let's season with salt to taste, black pepper to taste, and garlic powder to taste. Then we'll cut it into strips. Cook salmon like this at home and come back to tell me what you think. I'm sure you'll love the result. In a pan, I'll add a drizzle of olive oil, the salmon we cut, and fry until both sides are golden. This is one of my favorite recipes to make at home. Everyone loves it and always asks me to cook it again. At this point, I'll remove the salmon from the pan and set it aside. Now, in another pan, I'll add a drizzle of olive oil, 1 onion sliced, 3 crushed garlic cloves, and sauté until lightly golden. Then I'll add 100 grams of chopped champignons mushrooms, 100 grams of cherry tomatoes halved, 100 grams of spinach, 50 grams of grated parmesan, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper, and cook for about 5 minutes. After that time, we'll add the salmon back to the pan, then 1 sliced lemon, cover, and let it cook for 10 minutes. This recipe turns out absolutely wonderful.